boy Wonder.
Yeah, man, how you doing? You good? I know you like that. I know you like that. How long you been back?
What up, Snackies? Welcome back. Welcome back. Welcome back. Guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So y'all, I come before you on this Monday with CHEZ KATU, which are Haitian patties. Y'all, I have griot, I have chicken, I have seafood, I have some pickles, and I have katu sauce. Okay, now guys, whoa, listen, I already ate one because I was recording and I didn't like how it looked, and I started over. This stuff is bomb. Okay, so without further ado, guys, let's snack. Let's get into this this griot one. Y'all, this sauce is so amazing. Like like this need to be packaged. I dropped my fork. This sauce is like, I don't know how to describe it. It's sweet, it's savory, it got a kick to it. The crust is flaky. That's inside the griot. I don't have a fork no more, so you gotta eat pickles with griot. I'm sorry, guys. I laid some griot down though. Beauty gonna have to come get it. CHEZ KATU is actually located in North Miami, y'all. She made the patties for me. She has a Instagram page. It will be linked down below. She also has her own app, so you can order through the app before you go and pick up your food, y'all. So what she did for me was she made all of the patties, but she didn't cook them. She just froze them, so that when I picked them up, all I had to do was fry them. And I fried mine in coconut oil. Oh my gosh, when that coconut oil started heating up, that sweet smell from the coconut, because I use unrefined coconut oil, y'all. It is pickles already in here. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's try this seafood one. The seafood one isn't as pretty, you guys. It's not as pretty because that was the last batch to go in and they burst open for some reason. So you know when you get that stuff out in your grease, it alters how pretty it looks, you know. Oh my gosh. No, that is good. Girl, what kind of seasoning did you put in here? This one hot temperature wise, because these just finished. Y'all, do y'all see all that yumminess in there? What I'm getting for? Oh, that's bomb. That's bomb. I'm going back to the grill one, y'all. Okay, she also made smoothies. And the papaya, is it a papaya or no, the passion fruit juice. I hear Mike spray his deodorant. Yeah. If you're in South Florida and you've been wanting to try this, go ahead down to Miami. She is open Thursday through Sundays. And like I said, you can call in your order. You can order on the app. She has her own ordering app, okay? Yo, this is amazing. If you follow her Instagram, you will see how many people legit be going and their facial expressions when they taste these patties, y'all. Oh my gosh. Yo, this is good. They feeling though, I'm full. Bomb. Bussin', okay? Go and try it. If you're in South Florida area, y'all, she is open Thursday through Sunday. She also have breakfast patties, y'all, so you can get the ones with bacon, egg, and cheese on the inside. Like, oh, the variety is limitless. She has so many different types of patties. I'm gonna leave her Instagram handle down below. Matter of fact, y'all go follow me on Instagram and y'all go follow her on Instagram. Excuse me. If you come to South Florida, this is definitely something for you to try, okay? The seafood, yes, but for some good authentic Haitian patty experience, y'all, this was bomb. This sauce, baby, this sauce, y'all, it's like, I don't even know what it reminds me of. Like, it's just sweet. It's seasoned, so it's flavorful, it's savory, but then it got that kick. Like, I almost want to say like a, I almost almost want to say like a barbecue sauce, but I feel like that dims this down because this is way better than a barbecue sauce. Like, y'all, this sauce is amazing. She needs to package this. She gotta package that and sell that on its own. Like, what's good? Okay, y'all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm still low-key annoyed with the quality because I feel like my lighting is off, but I'm using daylight and I'm using some light, so I don't understand what's going on. But y'all, if you made it to the end, you already know you a what? You a who? You're Snacky MVP. Snacky MVP. You a what? You a who? You a Snacky MVP. You a Snacky MVP. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. I am stuffed. These patties definitely fill you up. I had already ate the chicken one. I ate a full Griot one. Half of the seafood one, but I'm stuffed, y'all. Them patties fill you up. Go check her out. Y'all know I love y'all. Tomorrow is Therapy Tuesday. Now, I did plan on a diagnosis, but instead, guys, I am gonna do Therapy Tuesday still, guys, so be on the lookout. But I want to do it from like a support standpoint, so it's gonna be a little twist. All right, so I'll see y'all tomorrow on Therapy Tuesday. We're gonna be having authentic Mexican food. Yes, I'm excited, y'all. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.